Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 13 4G with glassback design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.79 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 86.5% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 108 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.17 mm, and it weighs around 198.5 grams, and the color options pink, black, gold, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5030 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP53 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi 13 4G has been priced in Europe for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €199.99, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at €229.99. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi 13 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.